I'm making a movie. Roll the intro. Alright guys, welcome back to New Media 47. I am Robert, owner, founder, and only one working at New Media 47, but as you can guess by the title of this video, I'm going to talk about the movie I'm starting. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are interested in, discussing about this. I'm wanting to engage. Please let me know. But if you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell below. It really helps me out, and it's the only thing that keeps me going on this thing. And it's support from you guys that means a lot. Thank you so much. Alright, but for a little bit of this video today, I'm going to show you, before we jump into the movie, show you a little bit of what I've been working on lately for a friend of mine. She's like a second mom, and she just renewed her vows, so I will show you guys the highlights and some of the funnier moments from the wedding I just shot. So, let's roll that now. So much fun working on that wedding for them. It was truly such an honor and a blessing just to be a part of it. Once again, I want to say thank you to both Keith and Maria for giving me the opportunity to do such and allowing me to be part of their beautiful ceremony. So let's get into this movie just a little bit. Alright guys, it's called Earth 47, and if any of y'all are comic book nerds, anime fanatics, dweebs or weebs, all of the above, I'm making this movie for you. I'm not going to go into too much detail on the movie because the trailer is going to hopefully be out sometime next week. I'm going to keep everybody updated on social media, on all the platforms that I use. So all the links to my social media will be linked below. Go ahead and go follow me. Message me, tweet me, do whatever y'all want. Because I want to engage with y'all, I want to know what y'all want to hear. And giving all that little hidden information, let me know in the comments below if you have an idea on how this movie might turn out. Spoilers and tips, if you're a big My Hero Academia fan, you will thrive for this movie. But once again, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, the little clip from the video. I'll have the full highlight video that I did somewhere around here, somewhere at the end of this video. And again, thank you so much for taking your time to check out my channel. I'm Robert from New Media 47, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace. God.